I'm gonna put you guys in the fridge. Here, put that right there. I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna check it now.